How are you wherever you are? Welcome to this channel. My name is Timo, and today we are making a high protein meal. What you can see here is minced beef and eggs. Yes, and there is no cooking oil used. So what I have done is that I have boiled the minced meat in just a little bit of water. You're not to soak it up. You're not trying to make soup. And now here I am adding eggs, one after the other. Guess how many eggs? Okay, stick along, I'll give you more details as the video goes. The high protein meal, no carbohydrates. Yeah, that is how I am starting my day. I am from the gym, full body session. We are talking about squats, deadlift, hip thrust, overhead press. What else? Pull-ups, weighted dips, just compound workouts. And last but not least, bench press. That was my workout this morning, and here we are. I want to fuel up with a high protein meal. I load carbs later in the day. I want my productivity to be 100%. I don't want to feel sleepy. So, low heat, and what do? Just look, nothing will stick at the bottom of the pan. Just do your thing. I have not added any cooking oil in this high protein meal. Just the minced meat, rather beef, and it's lean, 85% lean beef, 15% fat. Let me see if I can attach the rest of the nutritional values for the two protein. Let's see, reduce. Alright, awesome. Remember to reduce the heat so that nothing burns, nothing sticks at the bottom of the pot. Oh yeah, there you go. Just wait and start slowly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get an avocado, but not right now, in my second meal. So this meal I'm going to divide it into two. It's this simple. Don't complicate things. Very simple. Keep it simple. Yes? Are we on the same page? If you have any question, you know what to do. Comments are open. My Instagram is open. Fit with Timo. TikTok, same as Facebook, everywhere. Or simply just Google get fit with Timo, and I'll guide you further. Yes? And there you have it. If you want to make it a little bit drier, you know what to do. Yeah, keep stirring. See? Nothing is stuck at the bottom of the pot. Look. Be creative, man. Be creative in your cooking. No excuses. Look. We're almost there. Look. Look at this one. And that's it. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have yourself a good time. Remember to drink water. Stay away from sugar, wheat, processed carbs, and what else? Deep fried foods, kindly. I'll see you in the next one. Adios. Time to eat.